Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Caramia's Corner. It is time for Gratitude Collab. This is every Wednesday this November, hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. We have 18 collaborators, and what I'll do is I'll list their names here, and also you'll find their links down in the description box. So if you'd like to join along, we had 4 prompts for the whole month of November. It is my 3rd year joining, and I think last time it was a different hashtag, so I'm a little probably confused about it. I think it was Gratitude Journal last time, but we're calling it Gratitude Collab this year, and this is again hosted by Creating with Jovi. She also has some freebies, so if you'd like to join her Facebook group, I wanted to give you a quick preview of what those freebies look like. How fun is that? In her fall kit is amazing. You guys have to check it out. Again, all of that will be linked in the description box. So just wanted to quickly give you a quick preview of what some of the included items are in those kit, and I love all the sentiments in it. So I'm super excited to show you what I've created in my layout. I did use a few images from the kit and also from the freebie. So I'm going to be showing you what I did in this beautiful Memory Keeper fall journal. This is also from Jovi's kit, and this was designed and especially made for me by my really sweet and talented crafty friend Christine from Kawaii Memo Love. So thank you so much, Christine. I will link her channel down below. If you need to see or want to see the full flip through, check out her channel. Or I'll also link the Happy Mail where I did the unboxing. So if you want to see that, make sure to check it out. So let me move these aside and let me show you what did I end up creating. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you my page layout. Let me first list what the first prompt is, and it is, what is your favorite thing where you live? So I live in the suburbs. I had spent and lived in San Francisco for majority of my adulthood, and I will say it is so wonderful to come home to peace and quiet without the hustle and bustle of the city, the noise. I'm not quite made for city life. I love going there occasionally and having fun. I really enjoy the countryside and peace and quiet. And so the suburbs is the closest I'll get to. So one of my favorite things of where we live now, where I've raised my children and my family, is in the suburbs. And I love it because we are surrounded by nature. We have nature trails. And so I love animals and nature. And you guys know this of me. So here you can see that Christine has beautifully created these pages. These were from the kits from Jovi's other fall kit, I believe. So I will show you what I did with the other freebies that I showed in the other wonderful kit. I just created a simple layout, and I really love this. Really resonated with me. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. And there's always something to be thankful for. And I always count my blessings. I love foxes and mushrooms, so I thought this would be a perfect match. And I love the faux stitching on the tag. So I think that's really beautiful. These cute little leaves are actually post-its that Christine had included in here. So for my layout, I just wanted to dedicate it to nature and what I see. It doesn't have everything that represents what we necessarily see, and you'll see it in my entry, but it says, I'm thankful for animals and nature. So Jovi had previously hosted a swap and glue. Oh my gosh, Jovi, please bring it back. I really enjoyed that. So basically for that collaboration, we had magazines, that pages that we would swap. So one of the images here is from a magazine. And one of the favorite things I love in our area during spring is when the flowers bloom. They are beautiful. And in the fall, the changing of the leaves and the return of the sparrows. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful sound to hear and a sight. And then we have the wild turkeys, and boy, they're large and they're big in size and in groups. They come with their flock. And so in my little entry, it says, nature's seasonal gifts never ceases to amaze me. with the Sparrow's Return and Sojourn, the Wild Turkey Street Parade. And when I say that, it's because this will really definitely test your patience, and also a great lesson in being patient. So they will disrupt traffic at rush hour, and you'll see about 10 or 12 turkeys crossing the street, and they take their time and they will not leave anybody behind. So I think that's such a wonderful example, and it can get on the nerves of some people who are in a hurry to get to work or school. But again, it's a wonderful lesson on how to practice patience. So I love that. And then the changing leaves to gold and the tranquility of walking on a nature trail. It just, oh my gosh, it's so peaceful. And I love it. And after like a busy, hectic week, I just want to be surrounded by nature. I just want to walk and enjoy, the gifts of nature. It's just gorgeous. And so these colors represent that definitely. In the spring, we also see a lot of the mustard flowers, and they're all yellow, and it's what a sight. It's just beautiful to see during that season. I may have posted it in the past, but I just wanted to create this collage. And then we have these leaves. These are post-its again that Christine had included when she gave this to me, and I wanted to put that there. We got our birds and flowers, and then behind it says peace and quiet. So I'm really, really thankful for that when it comes to what I like the most about where we live, and the fact that it's not so far away from San Francisco. We are about 45 minutes drive and by train, and it's so easy to just go back there. So it's very convenient. And then you can come back to being home where I'm close to nature and just, oh my God, have just a relaxing end of the day. So I love it. I can't wait to hear what everybody and see what everybody's made for this collaboration. We have 18 collaborators. Every Wednesday we'll be posting. It is maker's choice, so everybody's going to be probably posting different projects. I decided to share my gratitude journal because I practice this every year. I have a fall journal. So if you'd like to see a playlist, I think you can go to, I think I have a gratitude journal playlist, if I'm not mistaken. And I will link it at the end. Again, guys, make sure to check out our hosts, Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. I'll have their links all down below, along with all the participating channels. Have fun, craft with us, and post anytime. It doesn't have to be a Wednesday. You can share it, use that hashtag gratitude collab. And I can't wait to see what you guys have made. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.